security forces here are actually overpowered. I mean, they are just standing, watching as peaceful demonstrators pass through them. Of course, these are leaders of the Orange Democratic Movement proceeding to Uhuru Park, where, as I told you before, is that the government has repeatedly said that this meeting will not take place. But it is indeed going to take place. They are very determined to walk to Uhuru Park and to hold this meeting. At some stage, the police said that we will go. People are walking to Uhuru Park. They are determined to go to Uhuru Park. You can see thousands and thousands of people walking to Uhuru Park. The police have got nothing to do to stop them. And you can see this has been a stand-up since morning. All the democratic leaders had a meeting with Desmond Tutu and agreed that the mediation will start. But as mediation not yet started, a lot of people continue to die. There's been demonstrations here in Nairobi.